Have you ever wanted to save your Gemini conversations? Maybe to review them later, share with a teammate, or just keep a backup? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export your Gemini chat history in 2026. It takes less than 2 minutes. The most complete way to export your history is through Google Takeout. Go to takeout.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Deselect All, then scroll down and check only Gemini apps. Hit Next Step, choose your file type, I'll pick zip file, then click Create Export. Google will email you a download link, usually within a few minutes. If you just need one conversation, open Gemini at gemini.google.com. Find the chat you want in the left sidebar. Inside the chat, click the three-dot menu at the top right of any response. You'll see options to copy the text. Paste it into Google Docs, Notion, or any Notes app to save it instantly. Gemini also lets you send a response directly to Google Docs or Gmail. At the bottom of any Gemini response, look for the Share icon. Click it and choose Export to Docs. This creates a new Google Doc with the full conversation formatted and ready to go. You can also click Draft in Gmail to email the conversation directly.